What better way to be on vacation than to spend the whole day outside? This is SLAKING from Pokemon Advance. Once this Pokemon stays on the floor, it's hard to get back up. SLAKING spends all day lying down and eating grass growing within its reach. If it eats the grass it can reach, this Pokemon reluctantly moves to another spot. Whenever SLAKING live, rings over a yard diameter appear in grassy fields that are made by the Pokemon as it eats all the grass within its reach, lying down prone on the ground. Well, its special ability is Trunt. Okay, that's a little funny to say. Trunt!
A kid from Pallet Town with a brand new world to see. Don't know what to have, but it won't get the best of me. There's so much to learn and battles to be won. I've advanced so far and still there's always more to come. Take a step and I'm on my way. Gonna start all over again. I wanna be a hero. Pokemon Advance. I'm on my way. I wanna be a hero.
Alexa, what is a sloth?
Sloths are xenomorph mammals from Central and South America. They are part of the order Pelosa. There are two families of sloths, two-toed sloth and three-toed sloth. They live in trees, but in the past there were giant ground sloths.
This guy, glad I drew him. Welcome to the entourage, buddy. That's what I call him. Alexa, what is a priest?
As a noun, priest can have a few meanings. 1. A person whose office is to perform religious rites, and especially to make sacrificial offerings. 2. A person ordained to the sacerdotal or pastoral office, a member of the clergy, minister. 3. In hierarchical churches, a member of the clergy of the order next below that of bishop, authorized to carry out the Christian ministry. 4. A minister of any religion.
There we are, folks. That's how you draw SLAKING. I can source you later. Good night.
Not even